first of all, what is the difference between a bar chart and a column chart? First of all, what are the two different axes? Before that, what is meant by horizontal? What is meant by vertical?
Horizontal means from left to right, and vertical is from top to bottom.
Right. Okay. So from in this the one, which one is horizontal? Which one is vertical? Okay. B. This one is the horizontal. Okay. This one is the vertical. So x-axis is what? This one is x-axis. This one is y-axis. Right. Now I have a visual like this. Out of these two, which one is called column chart? Which one is called bar chart?
The first one is the column, and the second one is the bar.
Right. Okay. The vertical things are called columns. Okay. And the horizontal one are called bars. Right. Right. And now